Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a giant unboxing of the 2022 StyleVana holiday advent calendar. It is super heavy, so I'm going to rest it on my legs for a while, but I actually am shooting this on 2 different days, so when I'm unboxing, I'll be in a different set of clothes because it's not today. This video will be first split into me unboxing and show you guys the products, and at the end we'll do a rundown of the details such as pricing, etc. This year's StyleVana advent calendar actually does have a theme. It is Find Your Beautiful Self, promoting self-love and self-care, which is why this year's advent calendar is quite skincare heavy. And we can see there is an outside sleeve that says Find Your Beautiful Self, which is the theme for this year's advent calendar. There it is. Here is the advent calendar. It looks beautiful. I love the pink and coral peachy colors, and the back has the same pattern. It is massive. It's basically the size of my upper body if I hold it up like this. Also, I have to mention that there are beautiful instructions on the side. It really just tells you the order of how you should apply your skincare. Your AMs and your PMs, these are just really helpful. I think this is great for if you're just starting out with skincare or you're just having too much trouble finding what works for you. This is a great stable routine, so really love that. Enough blubbering, let's unbox it. Day 1, Skin 1004 Skin Angel Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic Serum. This is a really beautiful serum. I have this and I absolutely adore. I think it's great for soothing skin. Really excited for this one. Day 2, we have a lot of mini samples from Fruitia. So here we have 2 of the Fruitia Blueberry Hydrating Creams. They're in their mini size. They're very cute. I've never actually tried anything from Fruitia except for their hand creams, so nothing on my face, but I've heard a lot about them and they have the cutest little packaging. They're kind of like little jars of honey pots. It always reminds me of Winnie the Pooh for some reason, but this looks adorable. Can't wait to try it. Day 3. Ooh, we have a makeup product. So this is the Etude House Fixing Tint. This is in the shade Midnight Mauve. Let's quickly swatch it. There it is. It's a beautiful glossy tint once you apply it, and I'm guessing it dries down to a matte. Beautiful My Lips Are Better mauvey shade. I love this. I think I can wear this every single day. This is gorgeous. Okay, day 4. This is getting so exciting. Here it is on the corner. COSRX Propolis Honey Overnight Mask. I love COSRX and I love Propolis, so this is a great product to use. Overnight masks are great for hydration. Even if you're not wearing it overnight, you can use it as an intense moisturizer if you're feeling extra dry. So this seems epic. Day 5, we have a larger box in the bottom corner here. We have a Blackhead Out mask from Tia M. I have this. This is a great one. This is almost like one of those pore strips, but it's like a serum and mask situation. You put it on and there are some cotton pads in here. Yep, so you can use that to swab your nose later on. It's a really nice and effective product. I think it's good and gentle, so for those of you who really want to just get rid of your blackheads, this one is really good. Now let's go on to day 6. Okay, here it is. I'm having some issues getting just 6 out, so I'll just get 15 and 6 at the same time. I'll try not to look at 15. Oh, okay, we have a Peslo product. This is a 90-second Elastox hand ampoule. So this is targeting your hand wrinkles. I'm just reading the instructions because I've never heard of this product before. And I really like Peslo. I think they're a good, affordable brand that delivers great products. So you're meant to put a thin layer of this on the wrinkly parts of your hand, wait 90 seconds for it to fully absorb, and you should come out with really soft and less wrinkly hands. I think this is a great product. I think mum or dad would really enjoy this, so I'm going to keep this for them. I'm just going to keep 15 out because the way these drawers are, it's 2 stacked on top of each other, so it's a little bit hard. I'll put this one back in. I'm not looking at it, I promise. Okay, number 7 is right next to it. I feel like a hypocrite. I just said it was hard to pull out, but this one was so easy. Oh, another hand cream. I am a huge simp for hand cream. This winter, I realized how important hand cream is, so this one's amazing. This is from Exfolio. This is their Fresh Pink Peach Hand Cream. How adorable is that packaging? I love the cartoon figure of that peach. Love Exfolio again. I think some great mild products if you're just getting into skincare, and very affordable. I really like their green serum. I think it's the Seeker serum. That one's so good. It actually smells like peach too. Oh my gosh. Also a little checkup on the fixing tint. It has mattified and you can see it doesn't rub. Number 8, we're up here again. Let's see what we have. This is a Real Barrier Extreme Lip Repair. So we have a lip balm here. Getting a really wide range of products here, which is really good because then you kind of have your whole routine just settled and ready. We have 7 grams here. Looks a little bit small. This is a typical tubey lip applicator. Reminds me of my Purple Cream. Okay, so I put a little bit here and you can see it is absolutely clear. Feels quite nice, very thick. There isn't a fragrance or any scent to it, so this will be good for anyone, sensitive skin or not. So this one's good. I think this one will be really nice for on the go as well because it's so small and compact. Let's move on to day 9. We're down here again. Here we have a Harahara Wonder Black Bamboo Mist. So you can use this basically any time of the day. You can refresh yourself. You can use it in the morning. You can use it before makeup. Here it is. And in here you get, let's see, 80 ml, which is quite nice. Let's see the spritz on this. I don't know if it's because the peach hand cream and everything is just fruity, but it smells very fruity. This is a very nice product. I will definitely be using this tons. I love just facial mists in general. A hack I like to do is every time between layers of my sunscreen, I put a little bit of mister in, and then when it settles down, I know the sunscreen is ready for my second layer because I like to do like 2-3 layers in the morning with my SPF. So this is a really great product. So let's go on to day 10. This time we got another lip product from Peripera. This is a Ink Velvet in 01. This is almost like a very fudgy texture, and once you put it on, it feels like it kind of envelopes your lips, but it just wears all day. Okay, that is a gorgeous shade. Really nice for putting in the center of your lips and then creating that ombre. I think that is a really nice one. And all Peripera lip tints have a strawberry starburst scent to them. It's not unpleasant. I actually enjoy it, but if you don't like scents, something to keep in mind. Day 11, we have the Bonjour Mugwort Cream Calming Mask. I remember we actually got this product last year in the advent calendar. This is a clay mask. You put it on your face, wait for it to dry around 15-20 minutes, wash it off, and your skin will feel so plump, supple, and just great. Day 12, this is the Rear Luxe Gel Eyeliner in Choco Brown. Okay, this is exciting because I don't know if you guys have watched the video where I try on new makeup, but I fell in love with the Real Luxe Gel Eyeliners. They're so creamy, easy to use, and super pigmented. They wear all day. I have the black one, so this is amazing to add to my collection. It's a chocolate brown, which makes it really, really wearable. Oh, look at how it just glided on my skin. I barely touched it. I wasn't even looking where I was putting it, so this is one of the best eyeliners from K-Beauty ever. I'm so happy. You guys will love this eyeliner. It is just everything you want in an eyeliner. And let's look at day 13. Where is that one? Marine Care Eye Cream. I've heard great things about this one, and personally I'm a huge fan of Hamish products, especially their cleansers. It's probably what got me into skincare in the first place. Sleek packaging with an aqua case and a beige cap, and in here you also have a little applicator so you can pick it up and it'll be really hygienic for your face. So here it is. You're gonna scoop a little bit out. It's glass, I think. It feels quite heavy and luxurious. Scoop a little, pat it onto your eyes, etc. Let's now go back to day 14. We have here, oh, I've never seen this brand. It looks quite odd, doesn't it? It looks like Rapunzel. This is from the brand Elisa Vika. I've actually never heard of this brand before. It's the 0100 Collagen Coating Protein Ion Injection. That sounds a bit scary. Pull this one out. Okay, the Rapunzel vibes are definitely there. Oh, no wonder she has such long hair. This is for your hair. Oh my gosh. It's all clicking now. It's making sense. So this is for the parts of your hair where it's damaged, dry, or just feeling like it needs some extra love. You can put it on after you shampoo and dry it out. This is really exciting. I actually don't put much thought into my hair care, so I think this will be quite nice. Day 15, right next to it. Let's open it up. This is the glittering eye stick from Twinkle Pop. Okay, I've never tried this brand before, so this is in 14 Sunset Me. Let's take a look. Oh, so it's like one of those stick eyeshadows. Okay, so here it is. It is this shimmery reflective shadow with a beige and brown kind of champagne base. It's so beautiful. It has these micro shimmers in it that make it super reflective. I don't think it's chunky at all. You can see under these, you know, bedroom lights, it is just glittering and glowing. I think this will be really great for just accentuating, you know, your eye look. You can put it underneath it, you can put it in the inner corners, you can put it on the center of your eyes, probably not brow bone. Okay, and I just use my finger to spread it out a little bit. It definitely spreads out. The glitter goes a long way. You definitely don't need a lot. Okay, now let's go on to day 16. Ooh, okay, this is a all care recovery seeker aid, which just a typical, you know, pimple patch. Put it over your pimples for a few days, remove it, and it should have soothed it or, you know, sucked out some of the gunk. Okay, day 17, the Lab Oligo Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Ampoule. So this is what the ampoule looks like. It is a plastic packaging, quite light and very minimalistic. I think that is a cute look. It's definitely on the thicker side for an ampoule. It is clear, transparent, fragrance free. So this seems like a really good product and just staple. I think you'll fit into your routine really easily. Has some nice hyaluronic acid, so great for evening or morning. Okay, now let's look at day 18. Bellflower Retinol Cream for Wrinkle Care. I think retinol is good for everyone aged 25 and above. Don't think it's the best to start a little bit too young. I think we can use retinol alternatives like Bakuchio, etc. Okay, so it comes with a little tubey applicator. This is what the cream looks like. And let's just spread it out. Very thin, fragrance free. It has a little bit of an alcohol-y kind of scent though. I think it's very thin and easy to spread out. I should probably not put it on this hand, but it feels really comfortable, and yeah, I think I'll pass this on to mum or dad. I am the absolute worst. I forgot about day 19, so let's take a look at it right now. It is a beautiful eye gel patch. So it is from the brand Petit Fee. It is a gold and snail hydrogel eye patch. I love this brand. I have used a lot of their eye patches in the past. Last year they had a black pearl version, which is so good. Really excited for this one. Looks so luxurious and great for pampering. Day 20. This here we have a little pot of caviar cream. Ooh, this is from Skin Food. Feels pretty moisturizing. This is I think actually a pretty good shade for me. It's a pretty thin, creamy consistency. It has a peach undertone, probably from the salmon. I think this will be a really good corrector for under the eyes, and the coverage is pretty good as well. You can see it's covered up some of my veins. I have really prominent veins on my hands, so this is doing a pretty good job. I only put a little bit on and it spreads pretty evenly. We're almost the end now. We're up to day 21. This is what I was expecting. I thought there would be a sunscreen sooner or later. This is the Make Prem Light and Refreshing Sun Essence with Full Moisture. This year's SPF from Make Prem is actually different from last year. This is the Light and Refreshing, whereas last year it was the Soothing Physical Sun Cream. So it is different. Really excited to try a new one, so definitely will come up with a review for this. And let's move on to day 22. We have a product from Axis Wide. This is the Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serums. I love it when they have a pump applicator. It just makes everything so much easier. Let's give this one a go. Gel kind of texture. It's a little bit on the runny side. Okay, very easy to spread out. Very light on the skin. Day 23, we have a massive box here. Let's take a look. Isn't-Tree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. I recently got this myself and it is one of the best sunscreens I have ever used. Not only is it light and easy to use, there is actually zero white cast. It is moisturizing, it's comfortable, it's fragrance free. Everything you want in a sunscreen, it's in this. This is phenomenal, you guys. A little bit of a huge box for a tiny product, not going to lie, but you know, it's cute. We're going to look at day 24, which is the very last day for our advent calendar. Beauty of Joseon or Hoson Release Sun Rice and Probiotic Sunscreen. This again is also one of my absolute favorite products ever. This is such a good sunscreen. Again, almost zero white cast. It is so comforting on the face. It just feels really nourishing, and yeah, it feels good. It's like you put moisturizer on, but it's an SPF and it's comfortable. I just love this one so much. So that is it, guys, for the unboxing of this year's advent calendar from StyleVana. We really got some great products here. Everything is just so nice and easy to use, user friendly, and I think it all can be incorporated into our routine so nicely. Love the packaging. I think it's a step up from last year's. It is just so good in general. Love it. So from the unboxing, I hope you guys enjoy the products that you're getting from this year, because I think there are a lot of goodies, and I do like the actual box itself. This year it's a lot more user friendly and you can keep it for makeup storage after you unbox it. So I think that's really nice. And now let's talk about the details of this box. So this box in itself is already on 46% discount, because if you buy everything separately, it will cost you a lot more than it does now. I'm just looking at myself on my phone camera and the lighting's really off. I look really metallic. Anyway, that's off topic. As I said earlier, it is now launched on the website, so make sure to snatch it up because there is a limited amount only. So you really want to get in there first come, first serve. But that is about it for general information from the box. I think it is quite nice. You get 24 full-size products and you get a really nice range of skincare products. You can definitely make a whole routine out of it, morning and evening. And I do like the makeup products they included in there, even though there weren't that many. I think it's good because anyone can use those products, right? A lip product, and the concealer, I think you can still use it for brightening or correcting, etc. So not too bad. Overall, I do like this box and I really enjoyed unboxing it with you guys. So I hope you guys are excited for this year's advent calendar launches in general. Now that I've put the box down to give my arms a little bit of a break, let's talk about my favorite 5 products from the entire advent calendar. These are my top 5. It was really hard for me to choose, but I think these were the ones that stood out to me and the ones that I'll be using the most. Let's start off first with some, tried and true holy grails. These 2 sunscreens, incredible. I absolutely love them. The Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice and Probiotics SPF 50 and the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Gel Cream. These are so great. These are some of my favorite, if not favorite, sunscreen of all time. They're moisturizing, there's 0 white cast, and it's just incredible. I actually have multiple backups of these products myself just because I love it so much, and whenever I see a good deal I need to snatch it up because I use these up really quickly, and I've been giving it to all my family and friends as recommendations. So these 2 are awesome, and I love how much they're included in here for sunscreen. So these are amazing. And some other skincare products I've been loving from this was the Propolis Honey Overnight Mask from COSRX. Propolis is one of my favorite ingredients in skincare. It's really good for nourishing and just hydrating the skin. And COSRX is just one of those brands you really can't hate. All their products are amazing. I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm keen to try it out. Next is the Axis White Dark Spots Correcting Glow Serum. I've heard so much about this online and I've always wanted to try it out myself, so I'm really glad it's in this year's advent calendar. It is just one of those products where I feel like is an all-in-one. It really just does the job, and I've never tried anything from this brand, so this is really exciting for me. I can't wait to put this on my skin and incorporate it into my skincare routine. And last but not least, I had to choose a makeup product. This is the Peripera Velvet Ink in 01 Good Brick. I really like Peripera. It is a well-known fact I love Club Clio products, and this is just an affordable everyday lip product, and the color is just this beautiful bright tomato red. It says brick, but I think it's more of a tomato color, and I think it'll be my new signature bright lip color, and I absolutely love it. You've already seen me use this a few times on my channel, so we all know I love it, and I have other shades in this, so this is a formula I truly enjoy. Really excited that they incorporated it. Let me know down below, which products are you the most excited for? Do you agree with some of my suggestions? Do you not agree? And what do you think about advent calendars in general? Because I always find it really exciting. I never do it by the rules. I don't take one day and just pull it out. No, I don't do that. I pull it out all at once. I get the hype and joy, and I think about it for a month. It works too. But advent calendar season is here. That means the holidays are coming, and that means this year is coming to an end. That is crazy to me because I feel like I'm not mentally prepared that a year has already gone by. It just goes by so quickly. But that is it for today's video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel and let me know what you would like to see from me in the future. As always, and I'll see you guys next time.